Should you dispute everything on your credit report? Well, that's a really good question. I'm going to tell you that in just a second. But if you would, please just take this time and like and subscribe to this channel. And I will give you just a second to do that, all right? All right, so the answer to the question, should you dispute everything on your credit report, is technically absolutely yes. Okay, everything that you've got, unless there's a key to this here, okay? If it is a long-standing account, okay, or if it's almost paid off, all right, so long-standing or almost paid off as in, let me rephrase that, it's almost 7 years, so it's almost about to, the delinquency is about to fall off your account, okay? Either of those two things, I would probably recommend to not dispute that, because you could end up doing damage to your credit instead of helping it. But as far as anything else, whether you have actually, it's true, like you really did screw up, or it's not, either way, dispute it. Remember, they have 30 days, if you do this correctly, to verify your debt, whether it's right or wrong. Okay, we know it's right. It might feel wrong to do it, but send it all in. If you're going to go through the work to send mail, like I said in the last video, do not do it online. Send in the mail, put everything on there. If you got more than like 15, don't do them all at once, okay? We'll get into that another time, but please, yes, dispute everything, okay? Everything you got on there, as long as it makes sense. All right, and you can find out more about this and a little bit more detail of maybe if you should or shouldn't on a couple things by downloading my free ebook right here. Whoop, I got a little sideways. And that more depth of an idea of what you should do. All right, so I'm gonna keep this one short today. I hope you enjoy it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Y'all have a blessed day.